It's your girl Johnny, and I'm back with SlayMas. And in today's video, as y'all can tell by the title already, we finna go drop some packages off at the what is it called? At the post office shop. I'm so sleepy. My hair messed up. I'm thinking about doing it. I don't know. I got a new wig, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it on or if I'm gonna get somebody to put it on. Don't know. But y'all gonna be seeing me getting the packages together, printing the labels, doing all that good stuff, you know. And now now we finna go to the post office. I just dropped my son off, so now I'm finna go to the post office, get y'all orders shipped out. The post office. Get in the bag, so we can go in. I just walked out here. My phone had that, so my phone had died. No, y'all, I talk too fast, but my phone had died, so I couldn't record in there. So yeah, just getting back in here. But y'all, Illinois and Florida, y'all really F with your girl. I'm looking at this receipt. I didn't realize how many people from Florida and Illinois ordered from me. Like, y'all lit for real. Houston, Texas, I see one. You was with the last one too. I had a lot from Houston, Texas. And guess what, y'all? Somebody ordered for me from New York, y'all. Brooklyn, New York. That's like big to me, y'all, because like, New York is one of my dream places I want to go. I want to go to New York so bad. Can y'all ordered for me? I love y'all so much, seriously. But right now, we finna head, I don't know. Y'all can see. But yeah.